Assalomu alaykum aziz o'quvchilar. Bugun sizlar bilan Roundup 1 kitobidan 10-mavzuni o'tamiz. Have has, have got, has got. Xo'sh, buning mazmuni ma'nosi nima? Bor, ega bo'lmoq degan ma'noni beradi. Demak, bu qachon ishlatiladi? Have has. Have, I, you, we, zeylar uchun ishlatiladi. He, she, itga esa has ishlatiladi. Endi misollarda ko'ramiz. I have a pen. Menda bitta ruchka bor. She has a book. Unda kitob bor. They have a lot of books. Ularda ko'pgina kitoblar bor. Bu yerda have has bilan have got has got bir xil ma'no beradi. Ikkalasini ham ishlatsa bo'ladi. Misol uchun I have a pen, teng I have got a pen. Negative form, ya'ni inkor shakliga keladigan bo'lsak, have has va have got has got ni inkor shakllari bir-biridan farq qiladi. Have has ni inkor shakli qanday? I, you, we, they don't have. He, she, it doesn't have bo'ladi. Have got has got ni inkor shakli esa have has dan keyin not yuklamasi qo'yiladi. Endi taqqoslash orqali misollarda ko'rib chiqamiz. I don't have a car. I haven't got a car. She doesn't have a book. She hasn't got a book. Question form, ya'ni savol shaklida xuddi shunday qoida ishlaydi. Misol uchun have has da do does yordamga keladi va ular asosiy egadan oldinga o'tadi. Misol uchun do I, do you, do we, do they. Does she, does he, does it. Have got, has got ning savol shaklida esa have has oldinga o'tadi. Endi misollarda ko'ramiz. You have a car. Senda bitta mashina bor. Savol shaklida esa do you have a car? Senda bitta mashina bormi? She has a car. Savol shaklida does she have a car? Endi have got, has got ni savol shakliga aylantiramiz. Bunda have bilan has oldinga o'tadi. You have got a car. Senda mashina bor. Have you got a car? Senda mashina bormi? She has got a car. Savol shakli esa has she got a car? Demak, bugun sizlar bilan have has, have got, has got ni qoidasini to'liq o'rganib chiqdik. Darsni mustahkamlash uchun Roundup 1 kitobidan 10-mavzuni mashqlarini ishlab chiqing. Savollar bo'lsa, izohlarda qoldiring. Kanalimiz rivoji uchun like bosing, obuna bo'lishni unutmang.